Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about 7 things that determine your national flood insurance program flood insurance rate. So let's talk about these 7 things today. The first thing is the amount of coverage that you choose. Whether you choose $25,000 or $250,000 can have a big impact on what your flood premiums are going to be. Now, the next thing is the deductible you choose. Whether you choose a $1,250 deductible or a $10,000 deductible can have a big impact on your flood insurance rates. The next one, which might honestly be one of the biggest impacts on your flood insurance rates, is the flood zone. Whether you're in that low risk flood zone X, or you're in a high risk flood zone like AE, or a coastal area like a VE, these can all have big impact on flood insurance rates. The fourth one is the location of your building. If you've listened to our video, if you've watched our videos before, if you've listened to our podcast or read our blogs, you know that elevation, location can be some driving factors for flood insurance rates. So that's number 4. The fifth one can be the age of the building. You see, when we're talking about pre-firm structures and post-firm structures, there's different rating models there, there's different subsidizations there, and so there's just a lot of different factors there. Number 6 is building occupancy, whether this is a primary residence, a secondary residence, whether it's a commercial building or non-residential building. These are all things that can have a major impact on your flood insurance rates. Now, number 7, which can have a significant impact, is your foundation type. If you're talking about a crawl space, if you're talking about a subgrade basement, or you're talking about a slab, these are all things that can have a big difference in flood insurance rates. So these are 7 things that determine your flood insurance rate through the National Flood Insurance Program. So if you've got questions about understanding your flood insurance rate, calculating your flood insurance rate, do you have the best flood insurance rate available through the National Flood Insurance Program or private flood insurance, because they use many of these factors as well, then make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Go to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.